without talking in cash? That's what the devil wants.
Excuse me, that's my car.
Please, sir, I am occupied.
Yeah, well, I'm a police officer.
Ah, you are an officer of the law.
That's right, yeah.
Does that make you above the law? If I don't give you this one now, am I doing my job? You should know better. Eh?
You're not even on duty. What do you think you're doing giving me a ticket?
Are you my employer to tell me what is my duty? Are you the VDLA to render this ticket invalid?
I'm not having this. You ain't even got shoes on.
The soles of my feet are thicker than any shoe. If you park on a yellow, the ticket will say yellow. Eh? Please, now, stop this nonsense. The ticket is coming for you.
I'm telling you, as a police officer, don't you dare.
Thank you, Jesus, for another one.
I won't forget this.
I don't think I'll ever have enough of you.